McCord Hospital say they will continue reporting for duty, this despite the official closure of the facility. McCord has been in dire straits since the beginning of the year when funding ran dry. The hospital was due to shut its doors for the last time today, but staff said they will remain employed until retrenchments are finalised. Now, for more on this story, we are now joined by our reporter in KwaZulu-Natal, that's Ayanda Mhlongo. Ayanda, it's a very good afternoon and welcome to PM News.
A very good afternoon to you, Obia.
What is the situation like as we speak at the hospital?
The situation, Obia, at the hospital, as you have mentioned, it was officially shut down as of yesterday. And as you also alluded to, the staff defying that order, saying that they're going to continue working. What happened this morning when we went to the hospital is that there was a bit of a tense situation between the hospital staff and the gentleman that had been sent by the board to put up the closure notices and also remove all the keys from all the wards and the various departments. There was a clash, of course, between him, the hospital staff, refusing him to take away or remove the keys, and also refusing that he put up those closure notices. And what subsequently happened thereafter, that they eventually chased the gentleman away. Speaking to the staff, they're saying that they will not leave the hospital. They are going to continue to work at the hospital. And basically, as we already know and have been reporting, all the wards and many of the other departments at the hospital have been closed down, but they are continuing to man the emergency unit. This morning, Obriel, despite the fact that, of course, the news, it has gone out in the news that the hospital was closed down yesterday, we saw some patients, critical patients arriving at the hospital, and what the staff did was that they attended to them, treated them, and then subsequently referred them to other hospitals around the city of Durban. So that is the situation today.
Now, we know that there are talks that have been happening behind the scenes between the hospital management and the Department of Health in KwaZulu-Natal. Do you have anything that has come out from those from that initiative?
No, at the moment, as you're saying, those talks are behind closed doors with the department and the current or interim management at the hospital. We probably will only know on Monday what has come out of those talks, whether or not the health department, as was previously expected, is probably going to sort of come in to rescue at the hospital. We also know that and how one of the unions representing workers has taken the matter to court. It will be heard on Monday. So on Monday, we'll also be able to find out from the court whether or not they'll put in an interdict, basically to prevent the closure or force the board, the outgoing board, to open the hospital's doors.
All right. Thanks so much, Ayanda. That was our reporter in Durban, Ayanda Mhlongo.